Start? Alright. So, hey guys, my name is Sandesh. I'm responsible for the AI and machine learning piece of the autonomous database. So, there's been a lot of interesting topics that we've had during the course of Sangam, and one of the most interesting topics, or one of the most frequently asked questions out here is, I'm a DBA, I'm a developer, am I going to have a job in this changing ecosystem? I think the whole scenario is kind of a bit overblown because there's so IT as a field has been constantly evolving. Stuff changes, things have been constantly obsoleted, new technologies kind of grow and take its place. Oracle is no stranger to this sort of growth because, similar to what has been happening, we've continuously innovated over the years, and Oracle has been growing, features have been coming, features have been obsoleted. DBAs are constantly evolving against these features. Developers are constantly taking advantage of the new innovations that Oracle comes out with. We're basically in 19C, so this represents about 30 plus years of database innovation since we basically got started towards doing all this stuff. So any software ecosystem is going to have a constant churn in terms of the features, in terms of the things, and as people, we have to constantly upskill ourselves in order to stay ahead of this curve. This is true for any software engineering paradigm. Now, specifically, let's address DBAs. There's been a lot of features within the Oracle database that basically are automated today in terms of what we get on-premise. I'm not even talking about the autonomous database, the on-premise database. Now, DBAs have constantly picked up these new features and upskilled themselves so that they can actually do more and more interesting things as they go. My message to DBAs is, continue doing what you're doing. Encourage the new autonomous ecosystem because it provides you more value. It allows you to focus on things that are more interesting to you rather than trying to do things that are not considered value-added activities by the business. Remember this, we live in a time where there's a tremendous amount of business focus on everything we do. What are the SLAs? What is the application? How is this going to benefit the bottom line of the business? How do we equip ourselves to be able to show more better value to the business? That's our goal as DBAs and developers. Services like Autonomous, they kind of automate a significant amount of functions using automation and using AI and machine learning, using both of these different techniques to be able to provide more value to the DBA, so the DBA can concentrate on performing selective activities which they've never been able to get to. Performance tuning, application modeling, releasing applications as quickly as possible rather than doing installations, patching, and all such activities which are not considered to be representative of value-added activities to the business. So the biggest question I get is, am I going to lose my job? If you constantly upskill yourself, if you understand the market is moving towards three main areas: cloud, autonomous, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. And you have to upskill yourself in these areas to be able to take advantage of the new ecosystem. Now, as a DBA or a developer, this is nothing new for you. You've done this before. So don't think too much about it. Start learning, buy new books, attend new courses, try to explore what will represent the next new chapter of your life in this excellent, innovative times where all of this new stuff is coming towards us at a pace which is much more faster than we can absorb, which is what results in all the fear that we have currently, that we're going to basically, be obsolete. But that's not true. If we continuously upskill ourselves, if we provide value to the business, if we learn how to operate with cloud environments, Oracle OCI, there's a whole bunch of new applications on it with Autonomous Database Cloud, Oracle Express Service, Exadata Cloud Service. There's a whole bunch of stuff where you do not have to spend a significant amount of upfront money but gain access to resources. And you should be able to do this in as quick a way as possible. So for people who want to stick with an on-premise system, they can stick with an on-premise system. For people who want to utilize the autonomous system and they think it's the right thing for their business, promote the use of the autonomous system and that be the right thing for their business. It's going to help you grow your careers, improve your resumes, and be part of this entire innovation cycle rather than be scared of it. Thank you so much for your time.